The Moon and Eclipse, Chapter 11, Class 5th, Second Part. What is an eclipse? Eclipse is when the sunlight is blocked by Earth or Moon to form shadow. And these are of two types: lunar eclipse and solar eclipse. Lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse occurs when Earth comes in between the Sun and the Moon. A dark shadow slowly begins to cover the face of the Moon, and soon the shadow creeps over the Moon completely. It takes place when the Earth, the Sun, and the Moon are in a straight line, and the shadow of the Earth falls on the Moon. Then the people on the Earth are not able to see the Moon for some time. Then this is lunar eclipse. Children, you are seeing a pic of lunar eclipse, umbra and penumbra. When the moon is in complete shadow of the earth, then it is umbra. And when it is in the partial shadow of the earth, then it is penumbra. Lunar eclipse occurs only on a full moon night, when the earth's shadow covers the complete disk of the moon. We cannot see the moon at all. Then it is called total lunar eclipse. When the earth's shadow covers the moon partially, means we are able to see some part of the moon. Then we have partial lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse lasts for a short time, from few minutes to few hours. Once the moon moves out of the shadow of the earth, it starts receiving the sunlight and can be seen once again. One amazing fact about the moon. Moon goes around the earth at a speed of about 3219 km per hour. Solar eclipse. Solar eclipse is formed when the moon comes between the sun and the earth. The moon shadow falls on the surface of the earth, and it occurs on a new moon day. If the sun cannot be seen at all, then it is called a total solar eclipse. If only a part of it is seen, then it is called partial solar eclipse. Solar eclipse also lasts for a short time. Once the moon moves out from the light of the sun, solar eclipse disappears and we can see the sun once again. Solar eclipse is seen only in certain parts of the earth, the only place that comes under the shadow. Children, here you are seeing a pic of solar eclipse. The moon is between the sun and the earth, and the shadow of the moon falls on the earth. As a result, umbra and penumbra, region of the shadows, are formed. Lunar eclipse is more common than the solar eclipse as it occurs frequently. Now the quick check. Correct the statement by changing one word. The first one is when the earth's shadow covers the complete disk of the moon, then we cannot see the earth during total lunar eclipse. Earth is wrong, its answer is moon. Second is when man-made satellite comes in between sun and the earth, solar eclipse occur. This is wrong. The correct statement is when moon comes in between the sun and the earth, solar eclipse occurs. Third one is during new moon, a complete moon can be seen. Its answer is during new moon, a complete moon cannot be seen. Fourth one is the size of the moon's lighted portion keeps increasing during waning of the moon. Its answer is decreasing. Instead of increasing, it is decreasing during waning of the moon.